Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kuble ye phi baro kini ki longki khubor ba menta kasngi. Armut ki bri ki basu badon kati ha ka jingpynbthei ye ubum IED kila syakem no menta ka mit sngi blei ha ka jaka yang buat syndicate Them Metor ajin tip ki pulit ka East Khasil district lengba u superintendent of police ka East Khasil district uritu Raj Ravi. Kini ki armut ki kerteng u eba koridor nongplu uba armrusnam uba dei na wesen tehil lembat uba Tarson lemba basan pun prasnam uba dei na wesen tehil ulayathu baya u eba koridor lakem na Shillong kat baya u Tarson lemba lakem na dauki uba Tarson lemba udei unong yelam kasang HNYF National Youth Fund HNYF ubabat ya kakam disciplinary secretary kaseng udairu ubaju yelam lenti ya ki kanhun ya keren yesuk jong ka sorkar haba le syau ya ki no yelam ka HNLC kibawan sya kami ya keren yesuk haki benai balalino ya ka jinto kit ban pensisai ya kakam belajar kadang ya syukmat hakawai pat kaliang kaseng HNYF masin jai ya ka jin syakiam ki dokhot katei kaseng lengba u presiden ka HNYF National Youth Fund HNYF ba sadon bla kila leit ban pan jin syai na u SP ka East Khasil district habalayo banya keren syakilat pathai khubar uba sadon bla ulaong kadai tang kabuit ban trap kamla pdiang ya ka jingpynlong langkenya jong katanat pulit kinong yalam kaseng bhalang haba kentho halor ka jin syakiam u dokhot kaseng HNYF basubadon khati ha ka jingpynbthei bom IED ha Them Metor kabalaja ha ka mit sngi sajan ubade dokhot barim ka HNYF u kerteng uba Tarson lemba basan pesan snem karta nadauki bad uba bad menta ya kakam kum u disciplinary secretary nakaliang kaseng bhalang kam ngei satya ba ondon kti ya ka jingpynbthei bom wat haba lapan jinshai na USP shushu USP ulabu ya jingkali ya uba Tarson udon benta ha ka jing ya keren yasuk jong ka HNLC banrap uba sadon
Wah, sedang kelak ni tu kendiat haden kalau mi kat tu kat ni kata hading jing chip thai bom ba kena ong ba di khot jong ka se YF ba dia tu kadai mo jing sha
Hoi kadai jing sha menin ka sni we rong ba adu hasan jegi ba pasal lomba ba bat kum disciplinary secretary jong sek la sa khot sa police station po dauki kana stand sibiji misi bala sa khot ulalai kisukli jikli usang kelai no yom dan ye daladap lai biji sauji khot biang ulai biang ke kapasusi kalau bangi melak bangi kalau aba Tarson lai sni klami nasional nyau ka sampai jadi klami nasional don nasional kumnun ban kiti kata ka jingpynbthei bom long kata ni ke pamlang pediang yang lain kendu USP ni ru ban penting kena long alor e da wala ra Tarson disciplinary secretary jik sangni yang taru ki ong bang ni USP ong ba kilap ka kulu ba Tarson lomba udan kiti ha ka ni ke jingpynbthei bom ko kemula
jangi ya i ba
ong kemula ba bangi pe hakoi kalian ki ong ba pidon kam yang diberi bana information bala da kilap na information ni lai silak kan hakoi kalian pa kilap da rayu kani minum lah apan mundur mon normal kibor kiba persyang dan sabata sini peace proses kita dan kibor persyang dan pin dalam bakla dia kini peace proses sabata kawin kita te kasagawai kata kecing tebom atau motor rumah ba motor tadi kata pun mongkmat ya borok lagi bukti itu kamdai jong sang kamdai jong diberi sundat nama kita ji ki motor misal kita jong faida tak gur kamdai jong kanu ke hil dong sabda pan le ko boleh tahu pan lokit gitu sama so kapan Israel gitu pun bang ingin kena tangan
mereka
ni nama ba bom tu deh bom ni dah senau Chelsea nasional Rusia nasional ni lagi juga ikut men kini tu tenang kam Tebal su wanra kata conclusion long baik ba uya serium te long kalau dia ka bangimla an pdiang ji serium itu
cái sinh cho những khi cùng như lâm berang bak yang kesen
em yang mentang lamar bakani kematar kalau apa hakut berarti mau kira produce hakut person jadi matar kalau kani subject matar kalau apa hakut dengan upsway ke finding jong ka police department min page saya karai jong ka kut hadin kata person ini minum sinap ya kani ka kampung Vietnam jong ka police department ya kinong yang langsung ya bakani ka jingmu ban sabotage ka pistol kinhun kiboy non ke bakidan kum kini kinhun no kum hakum makani ka khap ka bamanta ya ile khlang ikani kam khlang makani ka peace process nya ke jingi so ko nya chwa tang ko wi ban kantin tang kantin balong ba ya ai ba ka bidi le lam ta ka daw ba ni le ba ta ji putiang ku smi ju kulit ku ya kani ko kam dei ke ko bentuk bersih ini ya kawan sedien re ka bagi dei ban le ni le ba ya ka bagi ban sim ki issue ba dei ban sim ni
of 9th March at around 10:30 there was a IED explosion just adjacent to Syndicate bus stand at Punjabi Lane, and as per the initial investigation done by BDTS team, it appears to be the explosive used in the IED was gelatin, and it was put in a metal container, and we have since then we have begun investigating the case on the basis of the evidences that we have collected, the materials that we have collected from different sources, and from the scene of crime. We have till now we have arrested 2 individuals. Both of them were arrested last night. Their names and details I am sharing in a while. One was arrested from Shillong, while the other person was arrested from donkti, and he was brought last night to Shillong. The details of investigation I am not at liberty to share at this moment, but we have very strong evidences against both of these individuals, and on the basis of that only we picked them up last night. One from Shillong and other from donkti.
Are they both from HNLC?
That I will not comment at this moment.
So in that whatever happened that day on that night,
Yes.
Do you think it was pre-planned by someone? And
we have very strong reasons to believe that there was planning, there was conspiracy, and there were different individuals involved in that. So we are looking at it from all angles, from all perspectives, and investigation is progressing by taking into consideration all these facts. Thank you.
you think there's more people involved in it, or there's just 2?
I will not comment on that. It is my appeal to general public that we are doing our best. We are investigating this case in as expeditious manner as possible, and we assure all our dear citizens that we will apprehend all those responsible for this gruesome act. And we appeal for peace and calm, and we appeal that our citizens do not get panicked. East Khasi Hills Police and Meghalaya Police is working round the clock to ensure that. Thank you.